Hello, everyone. Today, we will be discussing the basics of PLC instruction programming, the required equipment for PLC. Basic instruction programming includes the programming software, D4.0 Step 7 Micro and SP9 and a PLC electrical control test bench, and the control process designed based on this ladder diagram. Let's explore together. From this ladder diagram, it can be observed that in the first rung, contacts I0.0 and I0.1 are in series, so the red light turns on by pressing both buttons simultaneously. In the second rung, contacts I0.3 and I0.4 are in parallel, so pressing either button I0.3 or I0.4, green light turns on. To proceed, let's open the PLC programming software and begin the programming process. Add a series connection of the push-button module in the first line. Also, add two parallel connected modules in the second line. Align the programming with the ladder diagram as shown. Finally, a time delay of 10 seconds should be added to the timeline in order to observe the changes during the test. Next, let's use the simulation tool to control the circuit. Import the relevant project files. This is the simulated program. Based on the program you designed, you can now perform simulation testing here. If you have any suggestions or questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Subscribe our channel for more videos.